Alright then, Alex, so we're creeping ever closer to the magic 61 mark for a C. Best so far, closest so far, 59. So let's see how you fare with this paper. 700,000. No, that's not right. What you've got there is 700,000. 6,700,000. 6,700,000 is not how that would be written or read. 36 and 44. 37, 56, 81. That's correct. That's correct. That's good. With this one, what you need to do is round that off to £3 and see how many times 3 goes into 15 equals 5. So they want you to do that rounding. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 marks there. Here you have to say how many hundreds it's worth. It's not enough just to say hundreds. It's got to be 7 hundreds. 23 or 29 is correct. You only need one of them. 5 pineapples is wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 8s are 40. 6 8s are 48. You're trying to get to £6, so you can keep going beyond that. So have a think about that again. Your method, I mean, it's not the quickest of methods, but it should work. If they've got 40 pence left over, that means they've spent £5.60, so you can keep going. So for that page you have got 9, 10. That page, by now you should be getting everything right. So it's important that you just keep trying these arithmetic questions, keep practicing them. Just do the first 2 questions on the paper every time, making sure you can get them right. Okay, 250 equals 5 lots of 40 plus D, and then you've gone wrong here. 5 zeros are 0, so that should be 200, not 205. And that's your only mistake. That would have been right if it hadn't been for that. So you will get 1 out of 2 for that one. With this one, that is right. That is right. That is wrong. It's not 80, it's 8. 40 into 320 is the same as 32 divided by 4, which is 8. So again, you've done all the hard work. It's the arithmetic that's letting you down. That's right. 70 is not the mode. 70 tells you what the mode is, what data is the most frequent. The probability that the athlete chosen at random comes from Africa. How many come from Africa? 30. Out of how many athletes altogether? If you add that up, it comes to 200. So again, those are marks, 3 marks there you shouldn't be losing. You've lost 2, 3, 4, 5 on that page that you should be able to get. You're doing the maths, you're just messing up the arithmetic. Frustrating. That's good. It's not a y and x. Y and x is when you plot points, not data. But you've got that there, so that's okay. 4 is right, 47 is wrong. You've added them up wrongly. You're not showing me here your method of where that came from. I want to see 7 add 3 add 7, etc, 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 for you to get your method mark. So you'll get 1 mark for the fact you've worked out that that gap is 4, but then you're going to lose your method mark because you're not showing me where that wrong answer came from. Even more frustratingly, you get the area one right, but you still can't get full marks because you haven't answered the question, writing down the units of your answer. It's another mark you've thrown away. You're going to have plenty of time in the exam. Read every question carefully. You're just throwing away marks that you should be getting right, Alex. Every page, 4, 5, 6, 7 on that. Well done. Good. Much better page. I don't know what that squiggle is supposed to be. That should be a 4, 8, 11. That's good. That's good, that's good, and so is that. We're on a roll now. Okay, now with that one, your 12 centimeter line is too long and it's knocked out your size of your triangle. So that isn't 12 centimeters. If I measure that, it is 12.2, slightly out. You get 2 out of 3 for that. It's a little bit too big, so 8 marks there. That's good, well done. Excellent. 47 degrees is correct. So all of a sudden we're having a second wind now. This is much, much better. Watch how I go through that one on the video clip. 9 marks. 11:47, 54 minutes. That's correct as well. Reflection, y equals 1, and that's in the right place as well. Wow. 2, 4, 3, 6, that is correct. Make it a bit clearer, but it's correct. 2.5 is 14 miles per hour, that is correct. So is that. That is right as well. 15. Wow, that's a maths paper which is equivalent to how Wales seem to be playing rugby. Very disappointing first half of the paper and then a fantastic second half of the paper. So you've certainly redeemed yourself in that second half. Let's see whether that's enough to get you your C. 10, 16, 23, 34, 42, 51, 61, 67, 75, 75. Wow. Well, that's a C. That's a comfortable C. Now I didn't feel very comfortable in the first half of the paper, and there are so many things there that you just threw marks away on that potentially you could have got full marks on that paper, seeing how well you did in the second half. So it's still important that you sort out that first half performance, but massive improvement. Well done, Alex.